So sometimes around April this year, I make this video about this application where I've been earning on this application. And this application, you don't need to invite if you want. Like I already invite like 2 people, but they are not active on it. And it doesn't stop me from earning from this application. So today, as I said, I'm sorry that I cannot even come and be doing videos on it every time, simply because I was so busy. But these days, I said I need to do a review on this place so that you can be able to know how you can navigate through application. This application is very difficult to navigate if you don't see somebody that will explain to you. And as you can see already, that I already have 5 friends, 9 follow, now I follow 9, and then 33 people are following me. But what is important in this application is that you need to be accumulating points. And as you can see under here, you can see a place that they put points. That point, it is what you can turn to money. And let me show you, for you to know that this application is real. This point, if I click on it, it is withdrawable. It's going to turn to money, as you can see here. If I click on withdraw now, I'm not withdrawing, but I just want to show us. Whenever I want to withdraw, I'm going to make a video on it. When I click on withdraw now, you see that I have $16. So I can withdraw to my PayPal, as you can see directly under here. But I'm not withdrawing. When I want to withdraw, I'm going to make a video for it. I just want to tell us that when you are your free time, this application is good just for you to do a daily task. That's what it is required from you alone. As a woman, it is easy to make money, okay, by doing just your daily task. It is very easy for you. You just make your money and then you can accumulate it until you are ready to withdraw. You can withdraw minimum of $10 anytime that you get to 100,000 of this point, okay. And these coins, this one is a free coin. All this coin here, 30, this 30 that you see is a free coin. You can convert it to point as well. By maybe if you know somebody already, you send that person this coin, and this person will also send you a gift. It's like you are sending gifts to that person, and the person will send you back gift also. Then you can, your own will return to point, for our own also return to point. But let me tell you something. There's a lot of reward. Let's click on this reward here. When you see there's a reward that you can get every single day when you are consistent on it. Like for ordinary, you don't have followers, you don't earn much, you just want to be sitting down and do your own tasks, okay, you'll be getting 2,000 points every single day. And there's also a lot of rewards. If you know, I can teach you, I can explain it to you what to do. When I get it through little by little like this, these are different reward that you can see. And if you can be able to invite, if you are the person that knows how to invite, you can get up to $14 per person that you invite once those people are doing their tax. If you are not doing their tax, your money will not be able to accumulate. Take note of that. That is about reward. Then the rank will be going as you are progressing. Maybe you are in 1, 2. If you are progressing, you are the person that stream, like it's like a live stream, okay, more, your rank will be growing also. Then this is a game, Fun Island store, a lot of things. Then VIP, they have honor level, all those things. When you want to invite, just click here and invite, copy the link here, okay, and be able to invite. Just click on invite now that you see below here. Then you can be able to invite anyone that you wish to invite. Just tap on it like this, okay. So if you wish to join this thing as I'm doing it, the link is going to be in the description. You can join it and then let me know once you join it as well, okay, by sending me a message. You can go to my TikTok, because mostly I'm active, very active on TikTok with my handle. I'm going to put my handle in the on below for my TikTok handle. You can message me so that I can be able to help you to navigate through this. This is agency. I've never joined agency, but people join agency. You can join agency if you want. Me, I've never joined any agency because I want somebody that can really still show me more about this platform. But for me doing it solo, with me alone, I'm earning every single day, okay. So this is all the things, major things that you need to know is the one that I've explained, okay. So let's now go into what is the task that you are going to be doing. When you tap on this, all you need to do is you just click on start live, okay. Once I start live now, you will see that it's going to show my face as I'm sitting down here, okay. As a lady, you need to show your face. It's very important. As a lady, you must show your face, because you must not sit where it is dark. They must see you moving around or sitting down doing something. You are not necessary to talk in this application. You don't need to talk. Just click on go live and then you will see that I will be live immediately on this app. And as you can see, I am live on this app. That is how you are going to be live. Okay, you can see me. You will start seeing that people will start joining you, or you here from this place. Somebody will join and they will start just sitting down, because there's a lot of things that we need to learn on this app. So with this, I'll be able to, I'll be trying to be explaining it to us little by little. Okay, I just have little time, so I said let me quickly come and show us what we need to know to get started on this app. This app is legit. Once you withdraw, I've withdrew once on this application. Once you withdraw, immediately it enters. Under 1 second, I receive it in my PayPal. Under 1 second. So when next I want to withdraw, I'm going to make a video of it so that you can know how easy and how fast it is when you are withdrawing. Very fast. Okay, so at your lecture time, your free time, you can decide to start using this application. Just sit down. Okay, like for ordinary people that does not have people that you have not started getting enough gift every time. All you need to do for the first beginner that you are just starting, you need to do every day 2 hours. Their times normally start from 5 p.m. till the next 5 p.m. So you can still sit down now and still do more live on it. But after you have started getting gifts, if you can get more gifts per week, your live stream is going to, your live earnings is going to increase. But if you don't get gifts, you just be getting 2,000 points every time, which is not too bad. Once you accumulate it, it's just a free. You don't need to talk, you don't need to explain anything, you don't need to teach anything on this app before you earn. All you need to do is just be consistent if you want to be earning anything on this app. Okay, so if you need any questions that is not clear, drop it in the comment section. This application is called Poppo Live. You can either be Poppo Live or Vone, VONE, anyone. Okay, I'm going to put the link in the descriptions to download this application if you are interested, okay, in learning more. Okay, so I will see you in my next video. Bye.